President Barack Obama has declared the H1N1 outbreak a national emergency. Naperville News 17 takes a look at just how prepared local hospitals are in dealing with the outbreak. NCTV 17's Jennie Barger reports.
400 hospital beds, 145,000 Naperville residents. Those numbers aren't adding up. But not to worry. Officials at Edward Hospital have been planning for an outbreak for years.
We would utilize the space here to the utmost capacity. Once we exceed our capacity here at the hospital, we're going to be looking to the Illinois Emergency Preparedness folks and the Illinois Department of Public Health to help guide us in what would come next.
Nearby Adventist Bolingbrook Hospital services about 10% of Naperville residents. They say in just the last several weeks, they have seen an increase by 50% of patients with influenza-like symptoms.
We've been working on a plan on how to meet the needs of our community if there were a pandemic influenza.
When you're sick, you don't always think about those taking care of you. But officials at both Edward and Adventist Bolingbrook say they've been stockpiling a collection of gloves, gowns, and masks for the nearly combined 6,000 staff workers.
They're vulnerable to this disease too, just like everyone in the community, and so we need to protect them to be sure that they can be here at work.
We targeted for 65% of our staff to be vaccinated, and as of today, that number is 64%.
Both groups agree it's the uncertainty that's tough for everyone.
We have a number of cases, but that could stay steady or it could get a lot worse. There's no way to really predict that. And that's a little bit of the scary part for healthcare workers. We don't know how bad it's going to get.
Representatives also say while their planning has so far been holding up, they are still taking all necessary precautions. I'm Jennie Barger for Naperville News 17.
Both hospitals are taking another precaution by not allowing children under 12 and anyone showing flu-like symptoms into the hospital.